Hello friends, welcome to my Trendsend unboxing video. If you like seeing stylists put together outfits, then this is the box for you. That's why I enjoy it. I love having a stylist actually putting together outfits for me, and I think that's a lot of fun. Today I have a stylist that actually commented on my last Trendsend video and said, hey, I'm at this particular branch, please request me. So that's exactly what I did. I requested her. So I'm excited to see if she remembers that she asked me to request her and remembers that I make YouTube videos. So, and then see if she knows my style, because maybe she watched some of my videos. So that should be a ton of fun. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen. I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, shopping hauls, mostly just these style boxes because I prefer stylists pick up clothes for me. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. Your support, I very, very much appreciate it. Now, let's get to this box. I don't really know what I requested, guys. I think maybe I just was like, hey, send me some jackets and cardigans and things like that. If you're not familiar with the styling service, they send you 2 to 3 fully styled outfits. Sometimes it is more like a mix and match type thing. You have, I think, 5 days to figure out what you want to keep, send back what you don't. Right now they have a promotion that for people who are signing up for this box for the first time, you get style for $1 instead of the normal $20 styling fee. That styling fee does get applied to anything you purchase. If you use my referral link below, then you get 20% off of your first box, and I get 20% off my first box. And I didn't get a chance to get to the name of the person who used my referral link to get me 20% off of this first box. So just thank you, thank you, thank you. It's greatly appreciated. You can either do like a monthly subscription or kind of as an ad hoc type thing. And that's what I'm on. I just order a box when I feel like it. And typically it's when I get a notification that the store Every Eve, which provides this box, when they're having a sale. So as soon as I see they're having a sale, boom, I'll request a box because they do sell you sale items. Another tip I got from Christy at Georgia Sunshine. If you don't watch her videos, definitely check her out. She does really great unboxing videos. Tip that I had was, she said check out their website, and sometimes just a timing difference, things might go on sale on their website and it might not be reflected here. So you can contact their customer service and say, hey, I see this is on sale, can I pay the lower price? So awesome, I didn't know that, so I will keep an eye out for that. I think that's the main deets of it. I see something furry, fluffy. I think my first bundle kind of came undone, so I will just definitely came undone. So let's just, oh, I see fuzziness. It's fuzzy warmness. Okay, so let's just get started. There is this cami, just a black and kind of creamish color cami. I think that's a simple cami, but I think that's really cute and I think it'll layer well. This is by Peyton Jensen and originally $58, on sale for $15, plus I'll get the 20% off of that. So unless this is super weird, this is staying. Now another Peyton Jensen, and this is a jacket. This is so soft, and this is on trend with all kind of the plush teddy bear type tops that are in style right now. So this is on trend with that. Now what I like about this, and these fleeces that are in style are very oversized. You guys know my feelings on oversized, that I'm just not a huge fan. This actually seems like almost like a fuzzy fitted moto jacket. And again, like, I don't know if you guys can see that softness, but trust me, very, very soft. So I really like this. This is like a good take on the trend to not look just like huge and frumpy. Oh, $168. So bummer, but it's one that if I like, I can stock and hopefully get on sale. Oh, Articles of Society. Now I wasn't sure if they were still carrying Articles of Society pants. I was at an Every Eve store and I think I was asking for a different size of a pair that they had on sale, and she was like, oh yeah, we don't really have many Articles of Society anymore, which I was devastated, because I will say I think this is one of my favorite brands because it's always very soft, it's always very comfortable, fits well, holds its shape well, and one of the more affordable nice denim. So really happy to see these. All right, so these are a scissor cut hem. Let's see if there's any other distressing. Yes, we have a little bit of distressing here. These are $50, so, and that's just the normal price. So the Sarah ankle skitty with raw hem. So let me give you guys a better look at these. So a couple distressing place and then the raw hem. So, and honestly, if these are too long, I could just cut off some more myself since it's not like a reinforced raw hem. So, okay, really, really happy with the first outfit. I think it's super cute. I think it's all on trend and happy about that. Okay, bundle number 2. Okay, ooh, is there some camo pants? I think there's some camo in here. Okay, oh, and something else that's on sale. I'm really happy when they send me sale stuff. All right, this is by Chaser, I think. They've got like a logo that's a little bit difficult to read, and that'll be backward for you guys. So, but anyways, it's like a sweatshirt. It says happy, and it's a, you know, just really soft sweatshirt, really soft inside. It's actually soft inside. I get a little annoyed when some of these things are soft on the outside, but then like not so much in the inside. It's like, you know which part touches my skin, right? So originally this is $79, but it's on sale for $40. So, okay, that's super cute. Ooh, I like this cami. I really like these scallop camis. I like those a lot. I've had my eye on them. Let's see. Also on sale, thank you very much. Originally $58, $19.99. And this is by Sunday in Brooklyn. And I really like that. I think that's staying unless it's a horrible fit. And then we have that's interesting. A camo skirt. I like that, guys. Any chance this is on sale? What do you guys think? It's level 99. My price prediction is $68. That's my guess. And it's not on sale. All right, let's see. Choom. Okay, it is on sale, but it's $79.99. So $80. Originally $100. So really like that though. Okay. Well, this is fun. These are 2 really great outfits. Really happy with these. I'm impressed with my stylist that I requested, and I will definitely... Oh, well, the one I asked for was on vacation this week, so I didn't get her, but that's fine. Because I was really happy with the girl who did style me, which was Megan C. There's the style note, if you care to read it. They did chat, so I guess Melody gave her some tips and stuff like that. Okay, I am excited to try this all on. Really, really happy with this box. It's actually probably one of my favorite ones I've gotten in a while. I will see once we get it on. But they sent sale stuff, and they sent fully styled outfits instead of some of the mix and match pieces, and I love what they sent. Very different, very Jen. So, let's get into it. All right, first outfit. I love this jacket. First of all, it has pockets, which is awesome. It's a great fit, like really great fit. Nothing's too long. Really happy about that, and obviously super soft. It's actually a sweatshirt material inside, but it has a nice thickness to it. I haven't even tried. I'm gonna zip it up and see what that looks like. Okay, yeah, I like it. I can zip it up all the way. I think this is one that I would definitely wear open. It's funny because certain jackets like this I like with like a half zip like this, and some of them I like open. I think this is one that I like open. Oh, but I really like it. This is a nice cozy jacket. This I would go to the pumpkin patch in. Okay, so the cami, it fits. Great price. I like the, you know, the simple patterns, the simple colors in it. So really, I guess, just from so you guys can see it. Really happy with this. So I think this cami's a definite keeper. This jacket would be a keeper if it wasn't for the price. But we'll make a decision on that at the end. The Articles of Society jeans, just as always, I really like them. I do wish this was a little bit of higher rise. This is more of a mid-rise, but still feels good. Still no gapping back here or anything like that. And the stylist mentioned, again, you know, these are long, but she mentioned what I said earlier, since they are a raw hem, I could just cut off a few more inches. So, because I definitely have some extra material there. So, not an issue. I could cut it off if I decide to keep these. And I'm not quite sure yet. So, but I really like them. No complaints at all. Only reason why I'm even hesitant on them is just because I've got a lot of jeans. And you guys hear me say a million times I don't need them, but it's true. So really happy with this first outfit. Super cute. Can't wait to get the second one on. She did suggest that I style that skirt in a couple different ways with the two different tops, so I will show those both to you guys. Okay, first off, I have the skirt and the gray scallop top. Let me throw that there for now, because she did say to throw that jacket over. Okay, so the skirt. I really like the skirt. It's a really great fit. There's no gapping at the waist. It is a shorter skirt, but I think it's not too short for, honestly, I could see myself wearing this with the band for some things. And so I do like that it is kind of, it's good to have a few kind of shorter skirts. So I think this is super cute. I have a feeling this is going to end up staying. The scallop top, super cute. I keep saying super cute, but I'm not really good with adjectives. It's a little low, but then it's like, well, I don't really have much to show off anyway, so it doesn't actually matter. So I'm not mad at that. I think I'd wear this under a lot of things for work and things like that. And then she did say I could throw this jacket on over it. What do you guys think? Okay, and then the other look that she said was to throw on that sweatshirt, so I will do that now. Okay, and then the last outfit just has the sweatshirt tucked into the skirt. I think this is a super cute casual. This is more like I'm out running errands, that type of outfit, but still being super cute. So I like it. I like the skirt. I like the top. This is very, very comfortable and soft on the inside, so I greatly appreciate that. I like the little happy phrase. I am very happy. So there you go. There's what it looks all the way around. All right, let's do a final recap and decide what to keep. All right, so let's do a final recap on what I plan to keep. And yeah, so I'd definitely say that this is probably my favorite Trendsend I've ever gotten. There was not a single piece here I didn't like. If money grew on trees, I would buy the whole box, which I don't know that I mentioned, but you do get 10% off if you buy 4 or more items. Also, there's a $20 styling fee that does apply to anything I purchase. All right, so let's just kind of talk through each piece real quick. Okay, so the scallop edge cami, this was $15.99 with my 20% off discount. All the prices I give you will be post discount. So $15.99 for this cami. It is adjustable straps, and I like the color of it. I could easily layer it under a black blazer, cardigans, jackets, things like that. I think this will go with a lot of things. So this is definitely going to stay with me. Then we have the Happy pullover, and this is by Chaser. It is $31.99. Super comfortable, really like this. Just a nice kind of slouchy sweatshirt. I like the way it looked with the cami skirt. We're gonna give this a maybe, so it just depends on where we end up with all of this. And then we have the Desi tie-dye cami, $11.99. Again, super affordable. I can see me layering it under a lot of pieces, and I always feel like I don't have enough camis like this. So again, 12 bucks. Yeah, okay. we're gonna keep that. So the 2 camis, a definite yes. Articles of Society jeans. Now, I love Articles of Society, and she must have seen that in my notes somewhere or something like that, so I was really happy to see that. But I honestly just have pairs that are too similar to this already and don't really need it. So I'm not gonna keep this, but it's not due to my lack of love for it, because I do have a lot of love for it. I don't know that I said the price, $39.99. Oh, that's a good price though. Okay, we're putting this in the maybe pile because that's a good price. Then we have the skirt. What are you? You are the Darcy Camel skirt, and this is $63.99. I did really like it. Super cute. So, I think this has to be a yes, maybe? Maybe? All right, we'll throw it in the maybe pile. And then this beautiful, fuzzy, wonderful jacket. This is the Sasha Cozy Moto jacket in cream, and it is $134.40. I think, so I'm gonna own this someday. I will own this, just so you know. But I think I'm just going to stalk their website for a sale, because right now it's not on sale other than my personal discount. Obviously, if I buy it off of the website, I won't be able to get a 20% off, but I'm hoping come springtime, maybe it'll be significantly cheaper. So I will just stalk their website for that particular piece. So my maybes, I had 3 maybes. It was the skirt, the jeans, and the pullover sweatshirt. I think the one I really want to keep out of here is probably the skirt, and then maybe that'll be just it. That's my budget, because the 3 of these pieces add up to about $100. So I think that's what I'm leaning towards. I like these pieces. I just don't know that I'm going to be ecstatic about it, even though the jeans are a great price. If I don't need them, I don't need them. So, okay, really, really great box. I am very excited about that. I'm excited about now having a new stylist that I can request every time. So happy about that. If you are interested in trying Trendsend for yourself, again, referral link below that gets you 20% off of your first box. I think they also have the promotion where you get $1 styling fee. Hopefully the 2 are not mutually exclusive. I'm not entirely sure about that. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.